Your coding agent can read a repo, browse a page, and run a script, but the video link is still opaque. Claude-video adds /command. Paste a URL or local file, ask a question, and the agent gets frames plus a timestamped transcript. Install is the first win. In Claude Code, add the marketplace and install watch at claude-video. For Codex, Cursor, Copilot, Gemini CLI, and other agent skills hosts, run npx skills add Brad automate / claude-video-g. Then use watch like any other / command. The README sample asks what happens at the 30-second mark of a YouTube video. The important part is not that sample URL, it is the shape, video plus question, then an answer grounded in frames and transcript. The pipeline is practical. It checks setup, pulls native caption first, and uses ffmpeg for frames. Whisper is a fallback, not a hidden requirement. If a video has no captions, use a Grout key for Whisper large V free or an OpenAI key for Whisper 1. The script prints timestamped frame paths and timestamped transcript text. Then the agent reads the frames as images. That is why it can answer questions about what is on screen, not just what a caption file happened to say. The detailed out keeps this usable. Transcript mode skips frames. Efficient uses fast keyframes. Balanced is the default scene-aware mode. Token burner keeps every scene change candidate. On long videos, capped modes become a sparse scan, so rerun with start and end times when you care about a specific moment. Use it when the useful context is trapped in video, a bug repro, a tutorial, a launch video, or a local clip. Claude-video is MIT licensed, built on yt-dlp and ffmpeg with Whisper through Grok or OpenAI when captions are missing. Start it on GitHub.